નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Dear children, our next topic is principle related to economic policy. Which one? Principle related to economic policy. For the modification of economic policy, there are certain principles which are as given below. Dear children, what happened that here they have given about the modification of economic policy and they have given the principle are as given below. First, equal distribution of wealth and resources among all the class for the welfare of the citizens. What they have to given in the principle of economic policy, they have to given that whatever the resources is there, these resources have the equal distribution of wealth for the all classes for the welfare of the citizen. Second one, assets and production of resources should not be distributed to the certain group or section. What they have given that whatever the assets or production of resources we cannot distribute for the certain group of section. This should be administered by the state. It means all the resources was controlled by the state government. Third one, equal pay for the equal work for the both men and women. It means equal pay for the equal work for the men as well as the woman. There is no any kind of the partiality for the woman. Fourth one, provision for good health for the labor working at the place should be created. It means whenever the labor was working at the any place, this is the responsibility that we have to take care of the cleanliness as well as their health. Because of financial constraint for the men, woman and the young children working of the unhygiene place. Unhygiene, it means gandhi place. If the children, woman or man was working at the unhygiene places, then there was affection of their health. That's why or where the health matter are retorted, it means badla lena, should not be allowed to the happen. It means whenever the man, woman or children are working, we have to clean that places, otherwise their health was to be the affected. Next, fifth one, they have to given that state should promote the cooperation in administration of industrial unit by the labor. What they have to say that they have to say that anywhere in industrial sector the labor are working, there is need for the promotion of the cooperation as well as the administrative work. Sixth one, protection of children, youth against the exploitation. Exploitation, it means शोषण करना, and against the moral and material amendment. Amendment, it means आत्मसमर्पण, and to live in the healthy and dignified environment. This principle should be developed by the state. Which kind of the principle was developed by the state? That the state has to develop the principle regarding with the protection of the children, youth again regarding with the any kind of the exploitation, and against the moral and material abandonment to live in the healthy as well as the dignified. Dignified, it means uncha abhimani environment. Seventh one, relief and leave at the time of delivery should be provided to the woman. It means for the woman they have to give the relief as well as the leave at the time of the delivery. Worker insurance, bonus, maternity leave, gratitude and other legal rights should be included in the policy. It means they have to include the regarding with the facility provided to the woman for leave for the time of delivery. After they have to include the worker insurance, bonus, maternity leave, gratitude. This all things was to be included in this policy. Seventh one, to organize the agriculture and animal husbandry on the modern as well as the scientific lines. It means we have to develop the technological field in the agriculture field, and to prohibit the slaughter. We have to prohibit the slaughter. Slaughter यानी कि वध करना, हत्या करना of cows and other useful milk producing cattle. A draft should be drawn for the livestock. A draft should be drawn for the livestock of the breed like donkey, bullock, cow for the halting the slaughter. Halting, it means langda, and slaughter, it means hatya karna. It means we have to protect the animal. Which kind of the animal? The domestic animal that provide the milk to us. Ninth one, equal legal rights to all. It means they have to given the equal rights to the whole people. State should organize the free and legal services to the desired citizen who are financially feeble as well as the incapable in getting up. Feeble, it means kamjor. It means state has to organize free legal services for the desired citizens. Now second one, they have to given about the principle related to the social policy. Which one? Principle related to the social policy. Weaker section of the society, that is scheduled class, it means SC category, scheduled tribe, it means ST category, and backward classes have educational and economical right to be the conferred. What they have to given that? They have to given that whatever the weaker section in the society, we have given the economical rights which should be taken in concern by the state, and whatever the rights they are given, this whole rights was concerned by the state. They should be protect against the social exploitation, and this is the state responsibility that they should be protect against the social exploitation. Exploitation, it means social and the injustice. Now, uniform civil code should be the concern for the all citizen for the country. It means whatever the laws are there, all the laws are the same for the each and every citizen who are living in our nation. Thereby dispersing, it means they have to phailana prachakana, and the administrative justice to all, which should be taken the concern by the state. It means whatever the justice given by the administration, this justice should be the equal for each and everyone. Steps should be taken for the social justice in matter of the marriage, divorce, adoption, after juvenile assets and property by the state. What they have to given that the government should take the step for given the social justice. Now justice for regarding with the matter of marriage, after divorce it means talaq. Next one, adoption. Which one? Adoption, it means dattak lena. Juvenile, you know very well that kishore, balak. Assets, it means property. It means this all things of the principle related with the social policy. The state should make the provision for the support and the educational in matter, rights to employment, old age, illness or inauspicious. Inauspicious, it means ashubh, amangalika situation, poverty, etc. This all are under the principle related with the social policy. Next one, they have to given about the principle related to the international and political policy. Panchayat Raj should be established by the state. Which Raj was established by the state? Panchayat Raj should be established by the state, dear children, for which the proper leadership, officer and financial aid should be provided to conduct the work in the free way. Which kind of the conduct the work in the free way? They have the proper leadership, officer as well as the financial aid should be provided. Second one, the state should separate its services from the corporate mind nation. What? The state should separate the service from their corporate mind nation, and it should be in the liberty so that judges can be impartial, fearless and the courageous in rendering the judgment. Rendering, it means pratibadana, and impartial, it means nishpat. It means state should separate the service for the corporate mindset and give the judgment given by the judge are the impartially fearless. Third one, the state should take attempt to maintain the international peace, security, to establish the fair relationship between the nation and to increase the respect of international law. What they have to given that? They have to given that state should make the attempt to maintain the international peace. It means state provide the rule and regulation for maintaining the peace at the international level. Also security and establish the fair relation between nation and increase the respect at the international law. Fourth one, principle related to educational and cultural policy. Free and compulsory education for the children. Dear children, you know very well that, and already we are learning in the previous chapter that free and compulsory education for the children belongs to the age group of between 6 to 14 years. Which age group was included? 6 to 14 years. Age is mentioned in the constitution, and it was the fundamental rights to the education, and these things was included in constitution, and it was also included in the fundamental rights of the education. To preserve and protect state heritage, to preserve as well as the protect of the state heritage after the artifacts, it may kalakruti, monuments, cultural places, art and the building. The state should protect this cultural heritage. This is the responsibility of the state. They have to protect the cultural heritage of the place, from the distortion. Which one? From the distortion. Distortion it means ताड़ मरोड़ करना, विरूपण करना, robbery, transisting it means संक्रमण होना, disposal after deteriorating it means खराब होना. This all kinds of the laws are to be the prepared by the principle of the state for the protection of the cultural heritage places, and the state should have the aim to preserving the cultural as well as this historical legacy. Now fifth one, dear children, they have to given about the principle related with the health policy. Which policy? Health policy. Public wellness and the hygiene. Hygiene it means swachhata. Means public welfare and hygiene should be provided along with the provision for the better nutrition, health, amenities for the people by the state. It means this is a responsibility of state. They provide the public wellness as well as the hygiene should provided along with the provision for the better nutrition as well as the health amenities. Amenities it means suvidha, aram for the people by the state level. Second, prohibition on the harmful drugs. They have to strictly rules and regulations are followed for the prohibition on the harmful drugs, harmful soft drinks. Drugs should be done by the state level. This should be further banned as it will create the health hazard here for the public. Hazard here it means joking. Third one, to preserve the environment with the latest amendment. What they have to say that? They have to say that whatever the things are there, the things was to be preserved by the environment with the latest amendment, and thereby taking the care of the forest as well as the vegetation should be the policy of the state. It means also the policy prepared by the state for the protection of the environment and to take care of the environment as well as the health. Fifth one, they have to given about the hygienic environment. Hygienic it means swasthya sambandhi. Environment should be maintained in the working area of the labor. In which area of they have to protect the hygienic environment? They provide the hygienic environment and maintain in the working areas of the labor. They should have social and cultural development at the time of the leisure. Leisure it means avkasha. And entertainment provision should be therefore for the maintaining the mental health, and these provisions should be kept in the concern by the state. That's why this all kind of the principle related to the health policy are included, and they included the provision for the kept in concern by the states. Thus, this principle provides the guidance to the state to take the lead towards the establishment of the equal, just and the social order without any exploitation. That's why we can say that whatever the principle is there, principle provide the guidance to the state level to take the lead towards the establishment of the equal, just, social order and without any kind of the exploitation. Exploitation it means shoshan. The directive principle and inviseg it means saman karna. It means samna karna. Inviseg of the future society. They guide us to the direction that we should go and lead us to our destination. It means whatever the principle was to be the prepared, this principle given the guideline for the future, and we have to lead us for our future destination. The upliftment of the society and the protection of the society will be taken care by the state. Whatever the principle prepared by the state, that principle was regarding with the upliftment of the society and the protection of the society will be taken care by the state level. Fundamental rights limit in the state leadership, while directive principle extend the state leadership. Whatever our fundamental rights are there, the fundamental rights have the limit for the state leadership, while the directive principle for the extent of the state leadership. Fundamental rights make the existence of the democracy, and that's why we can say that whatever our fundamental rights are there, they have given the existence into the democracy, while directive principle of the society and the finance in the impart of the aim for the interrelation of the democracy. And that's why we can say that whatever the directive principle of the societies are there, they are given the finance imparts aim for the interrelation in the our democracy. And what was the meaning of the impart? Impart it means pradhan karna, dena. There is no opposition between them. There is no any kind of the opposition between them. Both of them complete each other. It means both of them given the complete of the each other. Thank you for joining us.